And notice, where did my exponent go? Over there. That's going to be my exponent. My exponent in log form is the guy by himself, is the number by himself. Okay, so let's go back and forth with some stuff that we do know for sure. Like, we know that 2 to the third power equals 8, right? So if I take that same idea and I write it in log form, what's my exponent?
3.
Equals the log base what?
2.
Log base 2, parentheses,
8.
Richard, 8, whatever you want to call it. That's the log form for that equation. Okay? Oh, handwriting thing. I won't crucify you for this, but I want to alert your attention to something. When we write things in log form, the base is a subscript. It's a slightly lower, slightly smaller looking number. And whatever I'm taking the log of, in this case 8, that's on line with the log. Okay? It shouldn't look like this. That's bad form. Okay? I know what you probably mean, and I hope you know what you mean. But sometimes when you write it funky like that, you might confuse yourself with this. And that's something different. Okay? So try to avoid that as you're writing it. Try to keep the number in the log on the same line with the log itself, and that the base is the one that's a little bit lower. Okay? Because we are going to have exponents involved in a little bit. Okay? Let's do something else that we know. What is 10 squared? So in logarithmic form, this is log base what? Log base 10. I always start with my base. Log base 10. Of what number? 2 or 100? Of 100. The 100 is not your exponent. Where does my exponent go? On the other side. Okay. So if I'm reading this, and I know that you probably never will read this, but if I'm reading this, when I say that the log base 10 of 100 equals 2, what that really means is, if I take 10, what exponent do I have to use to get to 100? I've got to use 2. So 10 squared equals 100. That's what that means. Okay?